need a 750 horsepower muscle truck? Shelby American, which unveiled its new F-150 Super Snake pickup, has you covered. At least as long as you're prepared to drop at least $96,880 for the privilege and are one of the first 150 to put in an order for the limited edition muscle truck. True to Carroll Shelby's philosophy, it has more power, more sound, more styling and more handling prowess, said Vince LaViolette, Shelby American vice president. Like other Super Snakes, the truck packs a Shelby supercharged 5-liter V8. It is available in 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive options and features a new dual-intake ram air hood, rockers, spoilers, honeycomb racing grille, rear bumper panel and a Borla performance exhaust. Shelby also lowered the suspension, fitted 22-inch retrochrome wheels, and added plenty of Shelby Super Snake stripes and badges. The Shelby Super Snake badge carries tremendous prestige because every vehicle that wears it represents the pinnacle of performance, said Gary Patterson, Shelby American president. The high-performance pickup is available in 6 flavors and comes with a 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty.